Hey campers, Jordan Lukow here at Rich & Sons. Hey, today we're going over what Cougar has new in their half-ton travel trailer models. We're going to take a look at this one. It's a 2026 26 FKD. Come on, take a peek. So guys, new for 2026 Cougar models is you have the completely new graphics package. And then here on the exterior, you're also going to notice now they have that full LED light bar instead of the little pips you see from spot to spot. And then continuing on with some big changes they made in 25, you've got a completely composite sidewall here they call HyperCore, and they're still using their composite flooring called HyperDeck. So between those two, you've got a much less worry of any kind of water damage or something like that to happen. Then of course we've got our Goodyear Endurance tires, and then still using our Road Armor suspension in pairing with our anti-lock brakes. Guys, it's one of the safest campers to tow on the market. And then if you look here, we've gone to a Suburban composite solid step moving in. So it's a lot easier to sweep. It's a lot lighter and it's quieter when you step up and down it, and it doesn't squeak as much too. So let's go inside. And for any of you familiar with the 2025 and earlier Cougar models, you remember everything was kind of white and gray on the inside. Well, now things have changed quite a bit. We've gone more to kind of our browns, tans, chocolate colors. So big change there. In this floor plan specifically, we've got a little added feature of your closet space here in the back. We've even got power on this wall here. So very easy to set up for cordless vacuum prep there. So guys, a lot more to see on all of our floor plans, especially the new 2026 Cougar models. Please come on down. My name is Jordan Lukow. Ask for me. Happy to show you around.